Here is the Cormoran, a professional spraying drone designed for performance and precision. Conceived and developed in France, the Cormoran embodies rigorous expertise, guaranteeing flawless manufacturing quality and total flight safety. Technical support and after-sales service are handled directly in France, ensuring responsiveness, proximity, and trust, essential advantages for professional operators. Modular by design, the Cormoran adapts to every mission thanks to its upgrade bays and quick mount rails, ready to accommodate new spraying solutions as innovations emerge. On the energy side, it features an intelligent battery with protected storage and fast charging, enabling back-to-back missions without downtime. Its 22-inch propellers and motors delivering 8.4 kilograms of thrust each provide stable, controlled power, capable of carrying up to 7 kilograms of payload. All of this is supported by IP35 certified propulsion, specially developed for spraying, and an IP65 certified HD camera, both tested over hundreds of hours of intensive flight. Its optimized nozzles reduce the impact of wind on product flow, ensuring precise application while minimizing unnecessary consumption. The Cormoran integrates the latest precision technologies, RTK-compatible GPS, a new generation IMU, high-performance LiDAR, and HD video transmission for smooth and detailed real-time feedback. Compact and agile, it folds easily for simplified transport, allowing any professional to move it effortlessly. Finally, the Cormoran is C5 certified, authorizing flights under STS-01 scenarios in full compliance with European regulations. Cormoran, the professional drone, built for construction professionals.